challenge lock coming at you here. This one was pinned by Bronx Lockpicker 60. So this Kwikset should be a fun one to get into. Hey, BLP60, thanks for sending me the locks. I really appreciate it. Some really good locks in that package you sent me. Not to mention the other goodies you sent in it. I'm pretty thankful for it. So let's get on with this guy. I'm just finished making a new pick just a little bit ago, so I want to give it a try. It's kind of a gem style. I haven't really completely finished it, but it should work. Okay, let me get in the back of the lock here. We're just going to go with light tension. Got a click out of 4. Click out of 3. Counter rotation on 2. Okay, got a few clicks out of 1. Working my way back to the back. Got counter rotation back here on, feels like 5. 6 feels good. 5 feels good now. Nothing on 4. Okay, I got a click out of 4 finally. Could have been an overset. Counter rotation on 1. Okay, I think I got that one. Okay, back to the back. Just checking on the pins back here. Got a little feedback here on, feels like pin 4. Okay, got a nice click. Just looking for my next binder. Okay, I think I got somebody overset, so I want to drop a couple pins back down. Okay, that was a click out of 3. Okay, that's some pretty good counter rotation right there. Lost my false set in the process. Another click felt like out of 1. Kind of lost all my feedback here. I want to switch picks. I want to try another pick that I made just a little bit ago. This one is made more like the Euro style hook that I'm used to. Okay, I want to Cock that back, and I'm going to go back in here. Okay. Got several clicks out of 1 right out of the gate. Okay, that was out of 5. Okay, now that I'm back to not getting a whole lot of feedback, a little feedback there on pin 5, a little counter rotation. I think he finally went. Oh, what in the world's a hold up here? Decided to change things up this time and start at the back of the lock. That was quite a bit of counter rotation on that pin. Okay, that was counter rotation and a set on 3. Back to 1. That was pin 6. That was pin 6 again. And I got a little bit more turn on the core. That felt like pin 4. That was pin 3. I got counter on 2. There we go. Wow, Angelo, nice lock, man. Too bad we don't have a key for this one, so I got to be real careful when gutting. Looking for my screwdriver here. Okay, there's the clip. I didn't feel any T-pins, but I better shim it just to be safe. Yeah, there might have been one. It did hang up on something. Also help if I grab the right follower. Alright, key pins up towards me. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Alright, he did fill up the construction hole, so he must have had a T-pin or 2 in it. Got a nice serrated. Another real nice serrated. And I'll zoom in on these pins, just like I normally do. couple more nice serrated pins. Another serrated. And another serrated. And threads in every chamber. Very awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and get this shim pin, as West Coast Picks like to call them, out of there. Okay. That was pin 1, kind of like a acid barrel pin. Now we got pin 2, is kind of the same thing but larger. And kind of another one just like it. This one's a little bit more spoolie on one side. And another one. I think we went with a theme on this one. Whatever, it worked. And that was a spring out of 3. I've got another one of those. And another one of them. And from what I can tell, we do have some varying spring tension. This steel spring came out of 3. I see a copper spring in 1. Looks like a brass spring in 2. Then copper springs of different lengths than the rest of them. I see threads in chamber 1, chamber 2, chamber 3, chamber 4 maybe. Definitely chamber 5. Yes, and chamber 4. 6, all of them. All 6 of them threaded. Put some work into this one, bud. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and zoom in on the pins. Okay. Our first pin here is a serrated, followed by a barrel type serrated. Then another serrated with another barrel type serrated, or that was more barrel type spooled. Then we got another serrated and another barrel type spool, another serrated, another barrel spool, another serrated, and another barrel spool, and another serrated and another barrel spool. Well, buddy, I got to tell you, stick with what worked on that one, right? And it did work. It kept me out for a good, 8 minutes or so. Appreciate the lock, Angelo. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal, and please like and subscribe.